This is Village Auto's 2010 Toyota Camry SE four-door sedan. Exceptionally clean local trade. With the dual exhaust, rear defrost, premium alloy wheels with 4 light new tires. Altogether very well maintained car. This one does come equipped with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder motor along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $6,980. Let's get inside here for you. So there's a cloth interior, very clean as you can see. Do of course have full power options, power driver side seat, AM/FM CD player, cruise control, steering wheel audio controls. Altogether very clean, very well maintained car that runs and drives out absolutely perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2010 Toyota Camry SE home with you today.